Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
Hello, Vipkid fam. Teacher Madeline here. How to switch lessons. How to switch lessons during a trial class. I will be the first to admit that when I first started, I was freaking out, like hoping and praying that that computer test was correct so that I wouldn't have to switch up the lesson. And I mean, I was like having a panic attack. But I can say now, and I have been with the company for a year now, but I think it took me about 2 or 3 months to really honestly and truly be able to say with great confidence that I have no problem assessing the child's ability. I mean, first slide, hey, how are you? I mean, I got it. I'm like, whoop, yep, you got it. You know, or we are moving down a level. So, trust me, if I can do it, you can certainly do it. Look at me, I'm crazy. If I can handle it, you definitely can too. You just kind of become more familiar. You see a lot of different personality styles and abilities, and you'll be able to figure it out. So yeah, now that you know you need to move to level 3, and you got the whole family staring in your face, and you need to change the slide, and you can't find the button for the drop down menu. Oh my gosh, where is it? Where is level 4? Oh my god, grandma's looking at you like you're crazy. What you do is, depending on the student's level, but most children you come across will know basic songs such as Twinkle, Twinkle, Little. They'll start singing. And parents love to sing songs with their children. I hold up the star, block the camera with one hand, and use my other hand to move the mouse around. Second thing, sometimes the student doesn't know the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star song, or their pronunciations are just way off, and you're going to have to correct every little word, and the family's yelling at, judgment call here. But I might give them an animal reward. I say, what is it? And then you get them doing TPR, like whatever it is. Find something, find a reward to block the camera. Yup. Now, my last tip and trick here is sometimes, and I hate to admit this, but it's true, y'all. This is a secret. Shh. Sometimes I'm just like kind of taken back. I'm feeling a little frazzled. I dropped something on the floor. The parents are like, what? This teacher doesn't know what she's doing. This student is wandering off into la land. I have to switch the level. I can't find it. My brain is malfunctioning. I didn't have coffee. Oh my god. It's okay. Take a breath. I hit that refresh button, and that's going to give you 3 or 4 seconds while the screen reloads to find the level that you need. Pick up your flashcard off the floor and stop the dog from chewing it. And you'll be okay. You'll survive. That leads me to my second. Y'all do not need, okay, this is just bonus. Those are if you just strictly hit this video to see how to switch lessons during a class, then I hope that was helpful. Please hit the like button. But additional tip here, don't let your dog eat your flashcards. And you only need A through D. The trial lesson is only A through D. Now, when I first started, I bought like 3 or 4 sets of these fancy flashcards, and actually, I mean, they're not. These are from Target. They were like $2, and they're super cute, and they match my background. What? But yeah, I was using them originally for blends. I'd write the blend on my my whiteboard and like hold this up, and that's great. If you got time for it, if you've only got one class and you're super prepared, then awesome. If you've got 8 back-to-back classes, there is no way you're gonna be able to find the right letters. You got 26 cards, however many letters are in the alphabet. No, you got 26 cards flying around, and you can't play 26 card pickup in the middle of class. You can't be looking for W. So I just have A through D. I keep those out. I do have these, but you know, I keep them stored away. I barely ever use the rest of my cards. These are just the one trial class on big and small letters. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I could buy like, excuse me, a ring or something for all these, but you know, put them on a ring, or I don't know, maybe the whiteboards with the magnetic letters would work better, but this is me, this is my style. We all got our different styles. Y'all do you, and whatever you do, have fun. Woo! Y'all, we have the best job in the world. Like, I'm finished with my classes at 8 o'clock in the morning. I go for a run. I go hang out in the sunshine. And all I did was sing nursery rhymes at 3 o'clock in the morning. And my bank account was like, boop, 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 boop. So, yes, I'm so grateful for this job. I hope you guys are too. I hope this was helpful. If y'all are just getting started, please let me know your questions, comments, concerns down below. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment, and if you love this crazy woman, make sure to subscribe. Have a wonderful VIP kid kind of day. Toodaloo!
Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said,
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.